What's going on YouTube? I am outside in my backyard showing you a review of a speaker I picked up from Amazon. I believe it's $15. It's called, you can see that, Yisea wired Bluetooth speaker. Okay, it's $15. I believe $15. Come in different like red, blue, and yellow, black speaker. And here's the box. Comes with the charger. You need a USB port, but the wire is included. And here's the speaker. Okay, here's the on switch, USB. You charge it in this port here. Charge it, and you have a, I forgot what it's for, but you have this as well. I think it's a memory card or whatever. I'm not sure. So the speaker is on. You see the blue. It means it's highlighted. It means it's connected to my phone. Here are the buttons up top. You can make calls on this as well. All right. Forward, back, pause. So let's play a song. This song is copyright free. So I'm gonna show how loud this is because you want to see how loud this is. All right. So.
I know you read me, yeah. Don't you see that I need you so much?
So let's step back some. Don't put attention to the stuff in the background. My son's birthday party stuff's out here. It's not super loud. It's loud, but it's not super loud. I'll get a little further back. I'm not sure you can hear it, but it's not super loud. If it was inside the house, it'd been perfect. But some outside, I might want to do something stronger. Let's pause it. It's not bad. Okay, $15, you can't beat the price. It's not bad. I like it, but it's not for a big outdoor event. If you're in close quarters, yeah. And I turned it up, my phone all the way up. So it turned all the way up. There's no volume button on the speaker, so wherever your phone puts out, that's it. And it's not super loud. It's loud, but it's not really that loud. It's loud though. It's loud, but not that loud. Okay, so it's not too bad. And it's, let's skip to the song. Let's skip to this, go to a different song. Another advertisement. So it's not super loud. Okay, so it's okay. It's $15 from Amazon. I'm trying to speed through this so I can play. So it's not super loud. It's okay. If it's in the house, it would have been great because the house, you know, you don't need a lot of speaker, but it's in the house, that's great. Outside the home, it's not that great. So this, I'll probably keep it, but it's not super loud. Okay, so 1 out of 10 on the loudness, I'll give it about a 6. Honestly, a 6. Now in the house is loud, okay, but outside, I get about a 6. You can't turn it up. You can't really turn these don't work neither because you use your phone. And the on and off switch, I had a hard time getting my Bluetooth on here because, you know, if you turn it on and have a charge, it's looking for a Bluetooth when it's on and it won't find when it cuts off. So you gotta cut it off and on and plug it in for it to find a Bluetooth, which is kind of annoying. But you know, you can't beat the price of it. $15. It's okay. Even a small little gathering, that's fine. Indoors, I think it's okay. It's pretty loud. It's loud indoors, but you know, it's echo. But outdoors, I'm not really feeling it. I had a little get together. I bought another speaker because this was not that loud. And then my next one I do a review about, it's louder than this. But with speakers, you get what you pay for. I think this is 6 watts. So when you look at speakers, look at the watts. The watts tells you how much volume it puts out. And the speaker I got now does 12 watts. This does 6 watts. So so that my other one puts out more power. So the watt is what you're looking for. 6 watts is not a lot. Okay, it goes up to 30, 40, 50, 100 watts on Amazon, and higher the watts, the more it's going to cost. So you need something small for the house. This is fine. Something by the pool. That'll be okay too for the pool. Maybe not. It depends on how big the pool is, how big area it is. But you have the outdoors event, cookout. People be talking. People gonna be laughing and kiki-keying. You know, it might drying out. But my other speaker, I had to actually turn it down for people. You know, I had to turn it down so people could actually talk. And that's fine, outdoors. So this is fine. I like it. If you want something small and expensive, I think it's 15, 14 bucks. Inexpensive. I'll link it below the video of this video in the box from Amazon. It'll take you straight to it. Well, what I give it? I mean, it's my first actual speaker, so I can't really comment that much about it. It's okay. You know, it's not bad. It's not like it's really low. It's decent. And yeah, I'll probably keep it, you know. So thanks for watching my review of the Yisea wireless Bluetooth speaker, and use your Bluetooth. So your Bluetooth, you turn your Bluetooth on to search for it. It's just a speaker box 5.0, and you lock onto it and then hooked up to it. Okay, I like it. I mean, it's cool, but for indoors is fine. Outdoors, 6 watts don't put out a lot of volume for a big crowd. So yeah, thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Look below the video for that link. See you next time.